Yes! Yes! We did it! Hey guys, welcome back to Family Life Outdoors. Today we're in Potter County, right outside of Ole Bull State Park. We're on a Class A native brook trout stream. We're on the Kettle Creek watershed. This is some really skinny water and it looks pretty shallow in most parts. We're gonna do probably a lot of hiking to try to find some deeper pools. This is a really beautiful area up here in Potter County. They don't call it God's country for nothing. This place is just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna be up here camping all weekend and for Memorial Day. Stay tuned for all the videos coming from Potter County. So let's see what we can get. Oh my God, no way. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. Oh. Yes. Yes. We did it. We did it. We did it. What? Oh my God. I did it. Look guys. We did it. We got our first brookie on the fly rod. Bow and arrow cast. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe it. Let's get the hook out of him. Came right out, barbless. Woo! Look at that, guys. We did it! We freaking did it! Beautiful, beautiful brook trout. Let's get him out. Let's get him back in. Go back, buddy. Yes! 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 Oh my God! What? Bet there's nobody around that think I'm crazy. Who's that crazy guy screaming in the water? What? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Oh my God. We freaking did it. Stay persistent. Stay persistent. Don't give up. It's freaking hard. But you gotta keep at it. Oh my gosh, my freaking heart is pounding. Woo. Man. Don't get no better than that. Holy crap. I can't even believe it. Wow. That was like hitting a home run. Wow. I can't even explain this feeling, how technical and challenging this is. And to not give up and then to have it pay off. I mean, that's just freaking amazing. I want to keep going. I know I gotta go home. Woo! We freaking did it! We did it! I gotta go home. I'm screaming in the woods. We did it! Yes! Woo!